He knows how to build and optimize the machines that drive our world and make our lives efficient. He can program, install, maintain, and troubleshoot the systems that keep industries humming. With hands-on training from programmable logical controllers and robotics to hydraulics, pneumatics, and electrical wiring, he's prepared for the high-demand careers driving modern industry. With a solid starting salary and significant projected employment growth, the future looks bright for automation techs like him. Gadsden State's Industrial Automation Program offers cutting-edge labs, experienced faculty, and strong ties to local industry, meaning you'll graduate job-ready. Demand is high across industries like manufacturing, food processing, automotive, aerospace, pharmaceuticals, business environments, and more. In less than 2 years, you'll be ready to take control of your future and launch your career in industrial automation.